Hi, it's Chris with WTI. Are you tired of your videos and still pictures looking dull and boring?
Do you want to spice up your content with some dazzling lighting effects? Then you need this DigiPower Pro 1 tripod and LED light. The light has 180 bicolor LEDs that are adjustable. You can choose from a range of colors and temperatures to suit your every mood and style. No more washed out or distorted colors. And don't worry about running out of power. The LED light has a built-in rechargeable 5000 mAh lithium battery that can last up to 2 hours on a single charge. The battery is so powerful that a USB-A type port is built in as a backup charger for your camera. How cool is that? Then there is the tripod. It's made of high-quality aluminum alloy that can withstand most weather conditions. It also comes with a smartphone holder that can be adjusted in just about any direction. I like that you can adjust the height, extending it from 22 inches to over 5 feet, allowing you to get the best view and coverage of your subject.
So what are you waiting for? This DigiPower LED light and stand will definitely make your videos and still images pop. But that's just my point of view.